Part 1
Hello
Playing
guys,
Blox
this is
Fruit.
the start of episode 1 of playing Blackfoot. So I have actually played this, so yeah. I have actually played this, so don't mind that I am level 68. So yeah, let's get started. Don't forget my hockey. I'm just gonna use the smoke bomb. Very easy anyways. So guys, if you want this to make a daily or weekly episode, I'ma post every Friday. I'ma post every Friday. If you want to make this a weekly series, please like and subscribe. I'ma post the next series once we hit like 100 likes or something. So guys, this is my first time. So let's not start yapping and start grinding. Damn. Guys, I realize I haven't finished my quest and I absolutely anyway, what are we playing? I'm a macaron. What the hell is going on in today's? Why there are 6 1 and what is going on? Good thing TikTok is getting a great meme reset. Oh, saw. Let's play. I'm just gonna do this and hopefully we should be done. Nope, it's very good for beginners. Yeah. So S or this is a tip on Blackfoot if you are new. If you are new, do not eat high level fruit because it will be very hard to level up if you are new. But if you are like wait, let me read the code. Oh, wait, to change it? Nah. No, remember, I forgot. I'm gonna end the video here. So like and subscribe and bless y'all.